this video, I will show you how to reflash a Samsung Android phone. This can be easily done by yourself. Reflashing the phone is necessary if it starts malfunctioning and shows no signs of life, or if you have reset it to factory settings without removing your account and you have forgotten the account details. After turning it on, it starts asking for a password, and recovery address, which you don't know, and the phone won't load further. To reboot the phone, you will need the phone, a mini USB cable, a computer, and internet access. So let's begin. To reflash the phone, the first thing you need to do is download the Odin program. It consists of 5 files, takes up little space, and comes in an archive. I have already unpacked it to the root of the D drive. Then you will need the phone's firmware, which is available online and usually consists of 4 files. Now open the Odin program. Agree with the message in Chinese. After this, you need to input the files we downloaded for the phone firmware into these 4 sections. The BL file U is specifically this file. Also, in particular, the name starts with BL. The AP file also corresponds to the AP file. When adding the second file, there might be a long pause. You will have to wait about a minute. And now, add the last 2 files. All files have been added. Now take the phone and turn it off. Then press the power, volume down, and home buttons. After the yellow triangle appears, press the volume up button. After this, you need to connect the cable to the phone. And to the computer. The drivers started installing from the internet for me, or you can download them manually. The device is ready to use. After that, open the program and press the start button. Here, an indication shows that the information is being loaded onto the phone. The loading percentage is displayed here, so you'll need to wait a bit. During this time, the phone must not be turned off. If everything suddenly freezes, to exit this mode, you need to press the home button, the power button, and the volume down button. Please note that the phone is currently restarting. The process is in progress. The main components are being configured. The installation of programs has started. A question arises about Google regarding the device activity me check. And now the language selection menu has appeared. We select Russian. We skip the Wi-Fi network for now. We accept the license. It requires entering a Google account. We don't have one yet. We skip all this for now, and we'll enter it later. We don't need the date, for now, at the moment. We don't need the name, either for now. We skip the lock. We will not create an account at this time. So complete. In front of us is the working window, and we can try to make a call, check the operation of Wi-Fi, geolocation, and all other mobile internet functions.